I just want to encourage somebody today that tomorrow doesn't have to be a repeat of yesterday. Let me repeat. Tomorrow doesn't have to be a repeat of yesterday. Hindi porket nangyari sa'yo kahapon, kailangan mangyari pa rin kinabukasan. You can change your life. You can change the direction of your life by changing the way you think. Ano mang suffering na iyong pinagdadaanan, financial, relational, emotional, what you suffer doesn't define who you are. Amen? Hindi porket bumagsak ka, you are a failure. Hindi porket nagkamali ka, you are a mistake. What you suffer doesn't define who you are. Do not quit until you're done. Hanggat hindi pa tapos ang Panginoon sa'yo. Just keep pressing forward and continue. The best days of your life is ahead of you, not behind you. Is in the next weeks and the next months to come. Huwag kang susuko, kapatid. This is war. Nasa gera tayo ng pakikipaglaban